Round 2. Green, purple, green, blue. Purple versus yellow. Race time! The truck challenge! Race time! Slippery trucks. Race time! Candy Crush.
Oh no! Oh!
Hello and welcome to this Snowy Strongest Engine competition. We'll have 3 rounds and whichever team wins the most rounds will be our champions. Now let's meet the teams. We have Emily, Henry and Peter Sam for Team Green and Edward, Gordon and Thomas for Team Blue. So, what's round 1? There's a snow monster here. Which team will defeat it? The snow monster will stand on the track and whoever can push him the farthest wins. Best 2 out of 3.
It's Peter Sam for the Greens and Edward for the Blues. That's a decent distance. Nice one, Edward. Peter Sam now. Slow and steady. He's pushed him quite far. Oh, yes, he's beaten Edward's record. So you're 1-0 up. Edward again. Not fantastic. Can Peter Sam do better? No, he's not strong enough. So it's 1-1. Whoever pushes the snow monster the farthest now wins the whole round. Pretty good, Edward. Can Peter Sam do better? No, he can't push the snow monster over. Unlucky. So Edward wins the round.
So let's award the points. Edward won it for Team Blue, so they're 1-0 up. Next round. It's race time. They'll start at this station. Plough through the snow, defeat the snow monster, give fairy funding some presents, avoid rascal funding snowballs, and whoever crosses the finish line in the fastest time wins.
Here's Thomas for Team Blue.
Ready, go!
He's off. Struggling through the snow. Oh, he's dragging it along with him. Snow monster's down, and there goes the snow. Presents have been delivered. Watch out for the snowballs. And 28 seconds. Not too bad, Thomas. Emily for Team Green now.
Ready, go!
She's off. Good speed. The snow's no problem. Neither's a snow monster. Presents have been delivered. You're doing really well, Emily. And 23 seconds. Wow, that's 5 seconds faster than Thomas.
So what's the overall score now? Emily won it for Team Green, so it's 1-1. Final round. Look at all of these presents. Those presents aren't for you, they're for the children and need dropping off at the town hall. So whichever engine can push the most trucks to the town hall wins.
It's Henry versus Gordon, and they'll try to push 2 trucks to begin with. Here's Henry. Very slow, but very steady. Yep, he's doing it with no problems at all though. Nice one. Can Gordon do it too? He's pushing them really quickly. And he's done it! Well done! Can Henry push 3 trucks now? He's still moving very slowly. Looks like he's doing it alright though. One or 2 little slips, but he pushed all the presents to the town hall, so it's over to Gordon. Can he do it as well? Look at him go! Oh, his front wheels are off the track. He is still going though. And he did it! Wow, very impressive, Gordon. So here comes Henry pushing 4 trucks now. They look heavy. Oh, there goes a truck. And Henry's derailed too. You couldn't do it. So if Gordon can, he wins. He's just as fast as ever. And it's going well, really well. And he did it, even though he lifted up the back truck for some reason.
Okay, so what is the final score? Gordon won that round for the Blues, so they win the competition by 2 points to 1. Well done, Blues. You're our snowy strongest engines. Hello and welcome to Green vs Purple Strongest Engine Competition. We'll have 3 rounds, and whichever team wins the most rounds will win the whole competition. So let's meet our teams. It's Luke, Percy and Gina for Team Green, and Ryan, Charlie and Lady for Team Purple. And we're gonna need a judge. Who's purple and green? We are! We can be the judges! No, we're running the competition. We need someone else who's green and purple. Ooh! Hulk!
What? Wow.
Okay, so what's round 1? The Truck Challenge! In this round, whoever can push the most trucks around this corner wins! It's Luke versus Lady.
Luke's up first, and he's pushing 3 trucks. Yep, no problem at all. Lady's turn now, and she's pushing 4 trucks. I think we're going to need some more trucks. Can Luke push 5 trucks around the corner? Yes, he can, very easily. Now, can Lady push 6?
6? No way!
It's a bit of a struggle, but she's doing it. Well done, Lady. Can Luke now push 7?
7? Not a chance. No way.
It's going okay. Oh no! Oh! And another. Well, Luke pushed 1 truck off the track and 1 onto its side.
So Luke's out, meaning Lady wins this round. So the score is 0-1 to the Purples. Next round.
Ready, go!
Race time! Whoever completes the circuit in the fastest time wins. They'll start where we are, go past the Wizard's Tower, then past Follington Station, behind the palace, round the pond to in front of the palace, then behind the town hall, and finish back next to us.
It's Gina versus Ryan, and Ryan's going first.
Ready, go!
He's off! Oh, he slipped! And again! Will that cost him? Going pretty fast on the straight. He's behind the palace. Going round the pond. Good speed. Coming up to the final straight. Just round the corner and 30 seconds. Not bad, Ryan. Can Gina beat that for the Greens?
Ready, go!
She's off. She didn't slip like Ryan did. Oh, but she's gone the wrong way. She's doing the lap backwards. She's by the palace. Round the pond. I guess she's doing exactly the same lap as Ryan, just backwards. We'll have to ask Hulk if it still counts. Coming up to the finish now, and... Ooh, 29 seconds! Wow, that's a second better than Ryan. But does it count?
She did it backwards, Hulk.
Yes, but the track is still the same. I'll allow it. Gina wins. So the overall score is now 1-1. Final round.
Boulder push! 2 trains will try to push this boulder onto the other engine's side, kinda like a reverse tug of war. Percy's representing the greens, and Charlie, who has his old wheels on today, is representing the purples.
Best 2 out of 3.
Ready, go!
Oh wow, Charlie smashed it! Yep, the boulder's definitely on Percy's side, so Charlie wins the first one.
They've swapped sides, and Charlie just needs to win one more to win the round.
Ready, go!
Ooh, much closer this time, but Charlie has just pushed it onto Percy's side again.
So Charlie wins this round, so the final overall score is 1-2 to the purples.
Well done, purples, you win! Unlucky greens, better luck next time, but congratulations, purple team. Hello and welcome to Purple versus Yellow. Strongest engine competition. Hey, hold on. Percy's in the yellow team. Is he? Oh yeah. What are you doing, Percy? You're green, not yellow.
Well, usually I'm green, but right now I'm Leopard Percy, and I'm mostly yellow.
Should we allow it? Well, if we don't let him take part, we'd have to find another yellow engine. So yeah, we'll let him take part. We'll have 3 rounds, and whichever team wins the most rounds will win. Okay, so let's get on to round 1. Farthest truck. In this round, an engine from both teams will push their truck down this slope, and whoever can push their truck the farthest wins. Lady is representing the purples and Ben the yellows. Best 2 out of 3, and it's Lady up first. That's the distance to beat. Well done, Lady. Here comes Ben. Oh no! The truck came off the track and stopped very quickly. So Lady's truck went the farthest, so she gets the first point. Lady to go again. That's almost exactly where her first truck ended up. Can Ben do better second time round? Yes, he can. Look how far it went. Nice one. So it's 1 point each. Now, whoever's truck goes the farthest wins the whole round. Whoa! I don't know how you did that, Lady, but your truck hasn't gone very far. Can Ben win it for the yellow team? Yes, he can! Perfectly done. So Team Yellow win 2-1 to win the round. So let's see the overall score. Team Yellow won that round, so it's 0-1 to the Yellows. Next round. Race time! Whoever can complete a circuit of the track in the fastest time wins. They'll start here. Go past the funding house, round the bend. Go past Farmer Funding's farm. Come back round to the station and finish in front of the platform. But they'll also have to push their trucks around with them. Hopefully the trucks won't slow them down too much. It's Leopard Percy for Team Yellow and Kana for the purple team. Percy's up first.
Ready, go!
He's off. Good speed. The truck's not slowing him down at all. Past the farm. This is a very good time. Oh! Oh no! The truck flipped! Oh! Uh-oh! And he's off the track! Quick! Just get to the finish! And his time is 23 seconds! Would have been better had your truck stayed on the track. So, can Kana beat 23 seconds?
Ready, go!
She's off. She looks a bit slower than Percy. The truck's not an issue for her either. Oh, or is it? No, it's gone. It's off the track, but she's stayed on. Can she reach the finish in less than 23 seconds? And Yes, 21 seconds. That's 2 seconds faster than Percy. Well done. So let's see the overall scoreboard. Kana won that for the purples to make it 1-1. Final round. Teammate balance. In this round, each engine will have a funding teammate. Delivery funding's joining the purple team, and hey, no cranes, Carly. That's better. And Daisy funding's joining the yellow team. Whoever can keep their funding teammate balanced on top of them the longest wins. It's best 2 out of 3. Here we go.
Go!
And delivery funding's down. She fell off, so the yellow team are 1-0 up. Let's go again.
Ready, go!
Oh, they're both still up. We'll have to go again.
Ready, go!
And delivery funding's down again. So the yellow team win that round to make the final overall score 2-1 to the yellows. Well done, yellow team. You are the winners today. Get ready, everyone, for another Strongest Engine competition. Green team versus red team. Today, the two teams are joined by a superhero, which means we have the Flying Scotsman, Percy and Hulk, versus James, Glyn and Iron Man. There'll be 3 rounds, and whoever wins the most rounds wins the competition. Let's start with round 1. Race time. Each team will select one train to do a lap of this circuit, from start to finish, and whoever does it faster wins. But watch out for the boulders on the track and the fallen log. First up, we have the Flying Scotsman for Team Green. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Off he goes. And he's past the boulders. No problem with the log. And finished! Oh. Good job he crashed after the finish line. So Flying Scotsman did the lap in 23 seconds. Next up, we have James for Team Red. 3, 2, 1, go! Great start. Nice. Pass the obstacles with ease. And finished. 19 seconds, which is faster than the Flying Scotsman. That means red team gets a point. Can green team make it level? It's time for round 2. Slippery trucks. This is the superhero round, and all they have to do is hold on to the truck for as long as possible, while Thomas pulls it. First up, it's Hulk for the green team. Are you comfortable, Hulk?
No.
Good then. Are you ready?
No.
Okay then, get ready, Thomas. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, that wasn't very good, was it?
Hey, I tried my best.
If you could just stay there, Hulk, so we know exactly how badly you did. It'll be time for Iron Man and the red team. Iron Man, all you have to do is get farther than Hulk. Shouldn't be too hard. 3, 2, 1, go! Well, would you look at that? Hulk wins it for the green team.
Huh? Yeah! I win, I win, I win. Ha! Yeah.
Which means it's 1-1. Whoever wins round 3 wins the competition. So let's go! Candy Crash. As you can see, this truck is full of candy. 60 pieces to be exact. Oh, interesting. The 2 remaining contestants will take it in turns to crash into the trap. And whoever knocks out the most candy in the area provided wins! First up, we have Glenn for the red team. Here he comes! Ooh, 4 pieces! Lastly, it's Percy for green team. Can he beat 4 pieces? Here he comes! One. He's only knocked out 1 piece. So that means today's winners are the red team! Congratulations, red team! Join us again for another Strongest Engine competition!